Hi, 8th grade. Today we're going to continue working on identifying linear and nonlinear functions. Your notes are that a function means that every x value has one y value, or every input has one output, and this will include equations that have x squared, or x cubed, x to the fourth, etc., or have no exponent. And then a line has a constant rate, so there needs to be no exponents in your equation in order for this to be a line. So the first few examples are some practice with equations. Looking at the first one, is this linear? The question that we need to ask ourselves when asking if it's linear is, are there any exponents? And there are not, so it is linear. But is it a function? Yeah, all lines are functions, so we can check off function. Then looking at the second one, is it linear? No, because we have an exponent. Is it a function? No, because it's y squared. The next one, we have a set of points. When we have a set of points, what do we want to do? We want to rewrite these points in a table. So we'll have -2, 1, -1, 2, 0, 3, and -2, 4. Answer the questions. Is it linear? And is it a function? The thing that I noticed right away with these points is that I have the two inputs that are the same. What does that tell you? That it is not a function. If it's not a function, is it going to be linear? No, because lines are functions, so it is non-linear. You can also look at this by saying that your x values are increasing, but then decreasing when it gets to -2, whereas your y values are increasing constantly. So you're going this direction while your y values are increasing, and then you'll go back in this direction. If it helps you, definitely plot out those points. For the next one, again, we need to start by writing our points in a table. So we'll have 3, -1, 6, -2, 9, -3, and 12, -4. Answer the questions. Is this linear, and is it a function? You'll notice right away that our x's follow a pattern, 3, 6, 9, 12, and then our y's follow a pattern as well, which means that this is increasing at a constant rate. So what does that tell you? It tells you that it is linear. If you were to find your slope between two of these points, it would definitely be linear. It would be the same slope. So is it a function? Yes, because all lines are functions. Next two, we're looking at graphs. So we're trying to tell from these graphs, is it linear and is it a function? For this first graph, is that linear? No, because it is not a line. Is it a function? If you check your x values, every x value will have one y value. So it is a function. For the second one, is it linear? No, because it's not a line. Is it a function? No, because if you choose an x value, you'll be able to go up as well as down, so it is not a function. A few more questions. Is this linear? No, because you have your exponent. Is it a function? Yes, because it is x squared, so that is 5. Is this one linear? No, because you have an exponent. Is it a function? No, because the squared will go to the y in there. And last one, is this linear? Yes, because there are no exponents. Is it a function? Yes, because all lines are functions. So this is a linear function. Alright, go ahead and finish up the worksheet independently.